And this is part 2. I have spent a few minutes spiraling. I forgot to set my timer. I'm going to set my timer right now. But I think what's going to happen is, if I can zero it out, I'm going to use a swipe card and just have done with it and find out what happens. I've done it before and it's been successful, and there's no guarantee it's going to work this time. But I got great colors. And that was not part of my plan there. I have wanted to use one of my containers for a while though. Don't have an edge catcher. What else do I want to do? I don't want to take any paint off the canvas. I do want to use what I've got because I don't give up easily. And I'm liking that. Even though my large marks are dark, everything else is kind of interesting. This is a small silicone hair dye brush, I believe. It's on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on the list of things that are on the link tree. The link tree is right under the video. I can't help it. I want to leave those pretty little cells. At least some of them. And I could probably swipe right through here too, but I'm not sure what's going to happen with that in a minute. So it's dark and it's kind of weird, but I like it. It is what it is, and I don't consider it a waste at this point. I do have some beautiful colors. And not a lot of time left of my day, and I'm inclined to just use them up. I even have some white, which might be kind of neat. Especially if I decide to spread it. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means that when my paint is heavy, it doesn't crack. I know this is kind of strange, and I don't care. I just feel like being strange. Time for that to go in the bucket. it doesn't work out, oh well. I suppose I could put a balloon in there. I have one. I'm not sure if that'd make me any happier than this. This is pretty bizarre and I like it. I haven't given myself permission to be this bizarre ever. I'm going to take, oh, I got rid of my white. So I'm just going to take some white. It's been a long time since I did any balloon rolls, to tell you the truth. A very long time. I'm going to wipe that off on my little leafy silicone mat. Okay, so I've got a huge mess all around me. And a license to play. And some really bizarre things happening, and that's okay. Because I'm liking bizarre right at the moment a lot. I like mark making, and I'm just making marks in paint. And I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Then I'm going to call it good. For a moment I thought there was something in there. It's a bizarre one for sure. Oh, I just thought of something that would make it even more bizarre. And I want to do it. I have some hot orchid. Mixed with water. Looks like it's evaporated and I could use some more. This will be so shiny, it'll be mind-blowing. And my mud at least is metallic mud. Yes, that's making me really happy. I wonder what would happen if I used the airbrush on that. I really need to find out. Oh wow, that is exotic. That might dry really dark. I think first, well, I don't mind those marks. Or these. Or those. I'm not really minding how my dribbles went down at all. Nice little heart. Too bad I had to destroy it. Let's try it at least one place. That's not what I had in mind. I have that black paint left, so I might as well use it, right? It's dramatic. With a lot of heavy accent. Very dramatic. One might even say bizarre. Wow. I wonder what it's going to dry like. So let's torch and release the bubbles caught in the paint, assuming there are any. I'm going to have to fix my edges. Nobody's going to believe how this started. I really thought I was going to swipe everything. And then it turned that really incredibly dark color where I swiped. And I thought, I might as well just give myself permission to do whatever I want at this point. And I like the gray in there. And I like the organic looking lines that are sort of dendriting out. I like the marks from the silicone tool. I like the drama overall. I guess I'm getting cocky. That pink will dry like you wouldn't believe. It will be amazing. I actually like what I'm going to refer to as a composition. And I will be touching up my edges after you're gone. This is a wild one. And I'm not unhappy about it. I want you guys to know that I love you, that there's over 91,800 of you right now today. And I'm going to uncover my crib sheet and tell you that there are over 1,800 going on 1,900 videos organized on lists of 100 and also by topic and genre. I want to thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you're interested in being able to be entered in the monthly drawing for paintings that you can see on the exhibition video, the prizes are there. Donate through PayPal or Patreon. You can find the icons on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or you can also find the links on the link tree, where you'll also find my Amazon link and my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I'm going to zoom in because it's really something. It's about as abstract expressionist as I have ever allowed myself to be with fluid acrylics and other things. It's a wild one, and I'm very happy with it. It might be a keeper. So you'll see what that looks like later. Teespring clothing is below the video, and it's got Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. If you open Show More, you'll find my paint pouring recipe description. And my email address is right under the link tree. I do sell my artwork. Ooh, this is so cool. I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Please give me a thumbs up. If you share my videos, you help me out. If you watch longer, you help me out. If you watch when the notifications come out, you help me out. What did I forget to tell you? It seems like I told you everything. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students is on the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And should you be interested also, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks, and I've just updated that. I have a new blog on my website. My website is on the link tree. Hopefully I'll have added another one to the first one I put there. If you shop the Amazon link, it helps me out, and it's at no added cost to you. Helps me buy art supplies. So I love you guys. I prefer PayPal if you're in the mood. And at the end of the month is when the drawing happens. Everybody who contributes through PayPal or Patreon is automatically entered as soon as I see an email confirming that that happened. Maybe I'll zoom in one more time, because it's a wild one. People are probably going to see stuff. I think I see an eyeball I need to get rid of. Wait. Yeah, no more eyeball. It probably looks like something else now to someone else, but you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know I love you. I hope you come back again. I post at 1:30 lately, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. Take care of each other. I just told you that. I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.